Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the arc length. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find first the derivative. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one that is about 2 over 3 x to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1. Because we have the formula in here. So, in this situation, we simplify and we have x to the power of negative 1 over 3. Next, we can apply the formula in here. So, we know that we have 2 points that is about 8 and b. So 8 that is for number 0 because this is for x. b that is about number 8. And this one, I will put this one cone here. So we have number 2 multiplied by 1 over 3. So that is about 1 over x to the power of 2 over 3. So number 1 that is about this one over this one. So we combine two fractions in here. The square root of x to the power of 2 over 3. That is about 1 over x to the power of 1 over 3. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we know that this one that is about 1 over x to the power of 1 over 3. So we divide both sides by 2 over 3. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here. So we can find the value of u that is about number 1. When x equals to number 8, so we put number 8 gone here and we got about u equals to the square root of number 5. Number 0 we change for number 1. Number 8 we change for the square root of number 5. The square root that is about u. This one with the x that is about 3u du. So this one we have u square. The integration of 3u square that is about u to the power of 3, and we put the bounds from number 1 to the square root of number 5. And now we have the final answer. So we have number 5 with the square root of number 5 minus number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.